But how many people actually put in the work? How many people wake up early, stay disciplined, make sacrifices, and push themselves beyond their limits? Because let me tell you, success does not come from talking about it. It comes from showing up every single day, even when it's hard, even when you don't feel like it. Some people say, I will work hard when I get the right opportunity. But let me tell you a truth that most people don't realize. Opportunities are not given, they are created. If you sit and wait for the perfect chance, it will never come. But if you take action, if you start where you are with what you have, you will create doors where there were none before. People admire those who make things happen, not those who just talk about what they wish for. The world is filled with people who have ideas, dreams, and goals. But only a few turn those dreams into reality because only a few have the courage to act. It's not about who has the best plan, it's about who has the courage to start. And yes, taking action is not always easy. You will face setbacks, people will doubt you, there will be times when you feel like giving up. But here's what you need to remember. Your struggle will define your strength. Every obstacle you overcome, every challenge you push through, every time you keep going when you want to stop, you are proving to yourself and to the world that you are unstoppable. Stop waiting for someone to tell you it's possible. Stop waiting for the right time, the right resources, the right people. You don't need permission to change your life. You just need to take action. Because in the end, it is not your words that will change your life. It's what you do that will make all the difference. Life is not easy. It never has been and never will be. No matter who you are, where you come from, or what you have, there will always be challenges. There will always be moments that test your strength, your patience, and your will to keep going. And in those moments, what matters is not what you say, not what you wish for, but what you do. Because when life gets tough, your actions, not your words, will define who you are. Think about the hardest moments of your life. The days when everything seemed to go wrong, when you felt lost, broken, or hopeless. What did you do? Did you sit back and complain? Did you wait for someone to come and fix things for you? Or did you stand up, wipe your tears, and take action? Because that's the difference between those who rise and those who remain stuck. The people who overcome struggles, the people who achieve great things, the people who inspire the world, they don't just talk about resilience, they show it through their actions. You see, anyone can be positive when life is good. Anyone can be strong when things are easy. But real strength is shown in the moments when you feel like giving up, yet you choose to keep moving forward. Real courage is not in saying, I will overcome this, but in actually doing whatever it takes to rise above your challenges. Because no matter how much you talk about being strong, if you don't prove it with your actions, those words mean nothing. Look at the people around you. Some have faced the worst circumstances. Poverty, illness, loss, failure, but they still refuse to back down. They don't wait for someone to save them. They don't let their hardships define them. Instead, they take control of their own lives. They take action, even when they're scared, even when they're tired, even when the odds are against them. And that is what makes them different. We all know people who talk about wanting to be strong. They say, I will handle this, but when difficulties come, they break down. They say, I will fight for my dreams, but when the first obstacle appears, they walk away. Strength is not about what you say in moments of comfort. It is about what you do in moments of pain. When life knocks you down, will you stay there? Or will you get back up? People will doubt you. Life will test you. You will fail, you will fall, and you will feel like you can't go on. But in that moment, remember, you are not defined by your struggles. You are defined by how you respond to them. The strongest people are not those who never fall, but those who fall 100 times and still get up every single time. Think about the most inspiring stories in history. Were they written by people who had easy lives? No. They were written by people who faced rejection, heartbreak, and defeat. But they never stopped. They didn't just dream of success. They worked for it. They fought for it. They proved through their actions that nothing could break them. So ask yourself, when you face challenges, how do you respond? Do you let fear control you? Do you let pain define you? Or do you take action and show the world what you are truly capable of? Because at the end of the day, strength is not about words. It is about action. And the ones who act, who fight, who refuse to quit, they are the ones who rise. People wait their entire lives for the perfect moment. They wait for the right time, the right opportunity, the right circumstances. But let me tell you something. The perfect moment does not exist. If you keep waiting for everything to be just right, you will spend your whole life waiting and never actually start. The people who achieve their dreams are not the ones who wait for opportunities. They are the ones who create them. Look around you. How many people have amazing ideas but never act on them? How many people say, I want to start a business, I want to follow my passion, or I want to change my life, but they are still standing in the same place years later? Why? Because they are waiting. Waiting for more money, waiting for more support, waiting for the perfect condition. But the truth is, opportunities don't come knocking on your door. You have to go out and build them. Some people believe that successful individuals had it easy, that they were just lucky, that the right opportunity magically appeared for them. But that is not true. They did not wait. They worked. They took risks. They failed. They learned. And they kept moving forward. They did not wait for someone to give them a chance. They created their own chance. I have seen people with nothing, no resources, no connections, no support, but they refused to let that stop them. They didn't say, I will start when I have everything I need. No, they started with whatever little they had, and step by step, action by action, they built something great. Because that is how success happens. Not overnight, not through luck, but through relentless action, no matter the circumstances. People say, but I don't have the skills, I don't have the knowledge, I don't know where to begin. And that's okay. Nobody starts out knowing everything. Nobody is born successful. The difference is that some people start anyway. They take the first step, they learn as they go, and they improve along the way. But those who keep waiting, who keep making excuses, they never start and they never grow. You don't need everything figured out to begin, you just need to start. Because the moment you take action, the moment you stop waiting and start creating, doors will open, opportunities will come, and you will realize that you were always capable of more than you thought. So stop waiting, stop looking for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Take that first step, no matter how small, because those who wait for opportunities will always be behind those who create them. And those who create them, they are the ones who change their lives, and they are the ones who change the world. Fear is the biggest enemy of progress. It stops people from chasing their dreams, from stepping out of their comfort zones, from taking action. And the worst part, most people don't even realize that fear is controlling their lives. They call it being careful, being practical, waiting for the right time, but deep down it is fear. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of what others will say. And as long as fear controls you, you will always stay stuck where you are. Think about all the things you have wanted to do but never did. Was it really because you couldn't? Or was it because you were afraid? Afraid that you might fail, afraid that people would judge you, afraid that you were not good enough. But let me tell you something. Fear is just an illusion. It exists only in your mind. It has no power unless you give it power. And the only way to break free from it is to take action despite it. Some people think that confident, successful individuals are fearless. That is not true. Everyone feels fear. The difference is that some people let fear stop them, while others push through it. They feel afraid, but they take action anyway. They feel doubt, but they move forward anyway, because they understand one simple truth. Fear only has power if you let it control you, but when you act despite fear, it weakens. The more you push through it, the smaller it becomes. Imagine a child learning to walk. Do they fall? Yes. Do they struggle? Yes. But do they stop? No. They get up, try again, fall again, and keep going. And one day, they walk without even thinking about it. That is how growth happens. That is how confidence is built. Not by waiting for fear to disappear, but by taking action despite it. Fear of failure is one of the biggest reasons people never start. But what is failure really? It is not the end, it is a lesson. It is proof that you tried. It is a stepping stone to success. Every successful person you admire has failed not once, but many times. The difference is they didn't stop. They didn't let failure define them. They learned, they adjusted, and they kept moving forward. Some people fear rejection. What if people don't support me? What if they laugh at me? But let me tell you, people will always have opinions. No matter what you do, there will always be someone who doubts you, who criticizes you. But their opinions do not define you.